This is exactly what I am going to show you today. How to add parental control to an Android device and track WhatsApp activity as well as other activities as a parent. For this, I am using the SpyX service, which is available for both iOS and Android devices. It unlocks 40 plus monitoring features for parental control. Here you can see whether it's social media apps, locations, contacts, browser history, and of course photos and videos. The link is below in the description. You can create an account. Here on the left sidebar, you can see all the functionalities it's showing. You can monitor all of these through SpyX. You can download and create account to set up parental control on child device. Let's start the process to add parental control on child device. The account is created and the service is activated. Go to the dashboard and you will be on this screen. Here, select the device type you want to add parental control to, iOS or Android. I am adding parental control to an Android device. Click here. On this page, you will find two methods to set up SpyX for your device. One is to install app on the target phone, which is the recommended option by SpyX. The other method is to use Google account sync method, where the targeted phone's data backup is used to track activity on the Android phone. I am using the install app method. Click on that. Now grab the target phone and follow the steps being shown on the screen. Let me show you all of this. First, disable Play Protect from the Play Store. And turn this option off. Now click Next on SpyX app. You can use the same on another mobile device. I am using it on my PC. Click Next and follow the subsequent steps that appear. Open browser and type spyx.cc and it will let you download APK file. Here, drag this slider and it will start the downloading. Tap on Download Anyway if you see this pop-up. Once done, tap Open. Then tap Settings and enable the Allow toggle. Next, tap Install to install the SpyX APK file on your device. Once installed, tap on Open. Now we need to carefully set up SpyX app to add parental control on Android device to track child's activity. Here, tap on Let's Start and follow the instructions on the screen one by one. Tap Continue, then toggle the Allow switch for the SpyX app. Here, tap on Install button. Here again tap on the Install button on the pop-up. Once done, you will be on this screen where you will see what to do and tap Continue to follow. It's done as well. Do the same with the app. Follow these 7 steps shown one by one to add parental control on an Android device. On step 7, when you tap on Continued and Activate, it will ask you to enter the registration code. To get that, click on SpyX website, put this code and complete the installation. Tap on Start to start monitoring of the child device and it will ask you to remove the installed app as all the permissions are granted for parental control. Tap on Remove Installer and it will be removed from the targeted device. On the SpyX website, whether on PC or another phone, click the Start Monitoring option. First, it will show you remove all the traces from the target device. It includes removing APK, browser history and more. Follow all the steps listed here and then proceed further. It's a final checkup and it's completed now. Let me take photos on the target device and they will be displayed on the SpyX website later. And first thing you need to do is to click the sync button. It will first download the data and then show you here. It takes little bit of time to populate data from the target phone. All the data is now populated. You can see from the red marked numbers. Here are the Wi-Fi used on the device. And here is the calendar for any events the child could attend. Here is a browser history. I visited the spyx.cc on the device. Here in the photos section, here is a photo I took just a while ago and it's here. You can monitor all the activity with SpyX. Here are the WhatsApp chat screenshots from the target phone. It automatically captures every message's screenshot when WhatsApp or any other social media app is used to send messages. Here are the contacts the target device has. Apart from the main things I show, here on the left sidebar, you can see all the functionalities it's showing. You can monitor all of these through SpyX. The link to it below in the description. Available for both iOS and Android devices. You can download and create account to set up parental control on child device. Thank you for watching.